Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to discuss to you about the Windows Firewall. What is Windows Firewall? Windows Firewall is a security feature that helps to protect your device by filtering network traffic that enters and exits your device. This traffic can be filtered based on several criteria, including source and destination IP address, IP protocol, and or source and destination port number. Windows Firewall supports Internet Protocol security, which you can use to require authentication from any device that is attempting to communicate with your device. With authentication is required, devices that can't be authenticated as trusted device can communicate with your device. You can use the Internet Protocol security to require that certain network traffic is encrypted to prevent it from being read by network packet analyzers that could be attached to the network by a malicious user. So, about the Windows Firewall is a host-based firewall that is included with the operating system and enabled by default on all Windows edition. And Windows Firewall supports Internet Protocol security, which you can use to require authentication from any device that is attempting to communicate with your device. And also with Windows Firewall, network location awareness, so that it can apply security settings appropriate to the types of network to which the device is connected. Practical applications. Reduce risk of network security threats by reducing the attack surface of a device. Windows Firewall provides an additional layer or defense to defense in-depth model. This increases manageability and decreases the likelihood of a successful attack. Protection of sensitive data and intellectual property. Windows Firewall integrates with IP security to provide a simple way to enforce authenticated end-to-end network communications. This allows for scalable tiered access to trusted network resources, helping to enforce data integrity and, if necessary, protect data confidentiality. And extended value of existing investments. Windows Firewall is a host-based firewall included with the operating system, so no additional hardware or software is required. It's also designed to complement existing non-Microsoft network security solutions through a document API. And the concepts of Windows Firewall is block all incoming traffic unless solicited or matching a rule. Allow all outgoing traffic unless matching a rule. And the firewall rules identify allowed or block network traffic. And the conditions for this happen. The rules offer an extensive selection of conditions to identify traffic, including application service or program name, source and destination IP addresses, can make use dynamic values like default gateway, DHCP servers, DNS servers, and local subnets, protocol name or type. For transport layer protocols, TCP and UDP, you can specify ports or port ranges. For custom protocols, you can use a number between 0 and 255 representing the IP protocol. Interface type, ICMP and ICMPv6, traffic type and code. And firewall profiles, network profiles are used to assign rules. For example, you can allow as an example application to communicate on a private network but not on a public network. And the Windows Firewall offers three network. The first is domain network, and the second is private network, and the three is public network. Domain network, the domain network profiles is automatically applied to a device that is joined to an Active Directory domain. With when it detects the availability of a domain controller, this network profile cannot be set manually. And the private network profile is designed for private networks such as home network. It can be set manually or network interface by an administrator. And the public network profile is designed with higher security mind for public networks like Wi-Fi, hotspots, coffee shops, airports, hotels, and etc. It's the default profile for unidentified networks. And that's all, guys. Thank you.